Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, very difficult price action today. Again, very choppy. We've got a few structures and patterns here. We're going to take a look at that. Quick, bigger picture view. Yeah, still the 5 waves up. I'm not going to go into that in detail. I think that should be known to everybody now. Now we always get a few new viewers with every video. So you just need to understand that we have completed a 5-wave move to the upside here on the 13th of July. That indicates the trend is up. That just means we have a setup here. We have a possible pullback trade setup with the wave 1 to the upside, and it's a so-called 1-2 setup where the wave 2 is the correction that should form a higher low, should get into this region between 29,150 and 26,280. That's the standard retracement zone. We can specify that further and in more detail and more precisely once we have the B wave in place, because this correction should develop in 3 waves. Wave A might be complete now, or we get one more low. The B wave should be a corrective rally, and then the C wave down should still happen. And then once we got the A wave in place and the B wave, then we can calculate the target more precisely for a C wave. Okay, now in the short term now, we have a little bit of uncertainty, but first of all, we currently see a wave 1 and 2 complete of the A wave, the third wave here complete, and this might still be a 4th wave. I showed you earlier today that this could be an Elliott Wave triangle. I would prefer that now the way it's going. Alternatively, we already completed the 4th wave. I think it was yesterday's high already, and we already came down in the 5th wave, yeah. And then the A wave is already in, but then I would need to see a rally higher now, and we need to break really above, well, at least above the descending trend line here to have a good view that we are in the B wave, right? Until then, we are constrained by this descending broadening wedge pattern, and it could make one more low. Again, you know, you get to the limits of TA at some point. What I can certainly tell you, we've got all the relevant parameters here on the chart. We're looking for 5 waves down. We have 5 waves down. It's just a question, okay, was this the 5th wave, yeah? Or do we get one more? That's, you know, it's, TA is no crystal ball, right? But we can identify all the relevant parameters here. And what I can tell you is that this 4th wave with one more low to come, it's just one scenario, but we have completed a potential Elliott Wave triangle, A, B, C, D, E. You can even add trend lines here. So basically within this descending broadening wedge, you have a bit of a triangle pattern here. And if we now break down, and it would need to take a break below the D wave low to first, yeah, indicate to us that the triangle indeed is breaking down. Then that would be a break below 29,770. Then yeah, then we can say, okay, probably the D wave, the 5th wave of the A wave is still in the making. But yeah, I mean, it's all about, we are currently constrained here by a structure. You can see that something is going to happen because price is getting less and less volatile. A big move, I think, is going to happen. If this is the right count, we should get one more low, but I will not rule out that we already could be moving up in the B wave. But either way, in both scenarios, I still expect lower eventually in the wave 2. I expect also to find support somewhere here, but we're not there yet. And if a rally occurs, then it would be a B wave. I said before that the B waves are always very difficult to forecast. So I would not enter a long trade specifically to trade a B wave, for example. But what I do myself, I'm gridding here a little bit, buying the setbacks, selling into profit. And what I'm doing, if we get the B wave, so from a mindset point of view, if we get the B wave, because B waves are, again, very difficult to forecast. And if the B wave gives me an opportunity to take profits, then I will use that. But I would not specifically try to trade the B wave long. It is just too much of a difficult wave, right? There is not really a target, even though there's a retracement zone, but there isn't really a clear target for a B wave. It's just very difficult, but that's up to you. certainly I think something is going to happen here because we are now getting constrained. A decision needs to be made. So it's going to be very interesting, probably in the next few hours, maybe tomorrow. Hopefully something big is gonna happen. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.